Hey beautiful people, welcome to Ramona Falls, trailhead. See all the people here, we got a busy day. I'm gonna take you on a journey if you haven't visited this beautiful place. Here, let's check it out real quick. Look at this gorgeous trail we're gonna hike on today. Unfortunately, my family couldn't make it today. My wife's gonna have surgery this week. Please pray for her. And my daughters are a little bit too young on this hike. It's about 6 miles, about 1,000 feet elevation. And they're about 5 and 3, so maybe in a few years they can come along. Also, I brought my Snapchat spectacles, check them out. Say cheese. So I'll be taking some video. I brought my camera and my drone. It's just gonna be a blast of a day. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. Didn't I tell you this is beautiful country? Welcome to Ramona Falls in Oregon. Here's the camera I'm shooting with, is a Nikon D3200. All right, and here is my DJI Osmo gimbal with my iPhone 10. None of this gear was a paid advertisement. It's just the stuff that I use. I'm no professional by any means. I'm your basic amateur, just having fun, making some art. We made it to Ramona Falls. Look at it, how beautiful this is. One thing to note, I came all the way here with my tripod to capture an awesome still, and I forgot my tripod plate. Oh, look at the colors. Well, I hope you got some good footage of the waterfall, Ramona Falls. I hope you enjoyed this journey. If you're ever in Oregon, it's highly recommended to go visit Ramona Falls, especially if you're into nature and hiking. See you in the next video, beautiful people.